Imagine a spice so potent it could combat the flu. This isn't just any ordinary spice. It's a natural remedy that has been cherished for generations. Its power lies not only in its unique shape, but also in its incredible medicinal properties. Now, picture it shaped like a star, bursting with flavor and fragrance. Each pod is a small universe of taste, waiting to be explored. Its star-like appearance is not just visually appealing, but also a symbol of its stellar benefits. Meet Star Anise, a spice that's captivated taste buds and healers for centuries. From ancient apothecaries to modern kitchens, Star Anise has been a staple ingredient, revered for its versatility and potency. Its journey through history is as rich as its flavor. Native to Vietnam and southwest China, this star-shaped wonder boasts a licorice-like flavor that's both sweet and pungent. It's a key ingredient in many traditional dishes, adding depth and complexity to flavors, but its uses extend far beyond the culinary world. But Star Anise is more than just a culinary delight. It holds a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Rich in antioxidants, it helps combat oxidative stress and supports overall health. Its antiviral properties make it a powerful ally during flu season. Additionally, Star Anise is known to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and even alleviate respiratory issues. This humble spice is a powerhouse of wellness, offering a natural way to enhance your health and well-being. So the next time you see this star-shaped spice, remember, it's not just a flavor enhancer, but a guardian of your health. Beyond its captivating aroma and taste, Star Anise is a powerhouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds. These compounds contribute to its distinct flavor and potential health benefits. From traditional medicine to modern research, Star Anise continues to intrigue scientists and health enthusiasts alike. Don't let its small size fool you. Star Anise is packed with nutrients. It's a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health and blood sugar control. Additionally, Star Anise contains several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, and copper. These nutrients play vital roles in boosting immunity, protecting against cellular damage, and supporting overall well-being. For centuries, traditional medicine systems, particularly in Asia, have revered Star Anise for its therapeutic properties. In traditional Chinese medicine, Star Anise is believed to possess warming properties, aiding in digestion and relieving coughs. It has also been used to treat colic in infants and menstrual cramps. These traditional uses highlight the long-standing belief in Star Anise's medicinal potential. Shikimic acid, nature's flu fighter. One of the most notable compounds in Star Anise is shikimic acid, a compound that has garnered significant attention in the medical and scientific communities. Shikimic acid is a crucial precursor to the antiviral drug oseltamivir, which is more commonly known by its brand name, Tamiflu. This medication is widely used in the treatment and prevention of influenza, a viral infection that affects millions of people worldwide each year. Oseltamivir is commonly prescribed to treat influenza infections. It works by inhibiting the action of the influenza virus, thereby reducing the severity and duration of flu symptoms. Doctors often prescribe Tamiflu to patients who are at high risk of flu complications, such as the elderly, young children, and individuals with weakened immune systems. Studies have shown that shikimic acid possesses potent antiviral properties, making it an essential component in the fight against influenza. Researchers have discovered that shikimic acid can effectively inhibit the influenza virus's ability to replicate and spread within the human body. This inhibition is crucial because it helps to control the spread of the virus, reducing the overall impact of the flu on public health. The ability of shikimic acid to interfere with the replication process of the influenza virus has made it a valuable tool in antiviral research and treatment development. This discovery has sparked significant interest in Star Anise as a natural flu fighter. Many people are now exploring the use of Star Anise in various home remedies, such as teas and infusions, to harness its potential health benefits. Health professionals are also taking note of the growing body of research supporting the antiviral properties of shikimic acid, leading to increased interest in natural and alternative treatments for influenza. Beyond the flu. Exploring other potential benefits. While its antiviral properties take center stage, Star Anise's potential benefits extend beyond fighting the flu. Some studies suggest that Star Anise may have antifungal and antibacterial properties. Furthermore, research indicates potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which could contribute to overall health and disease prevention. However, more research is needed to confirm these potential benefits. Using Star Anise, a word of caution. Star Anise is generally safe for consumption in moderate amounts. This aromatic spice, often used in cooking and traditional medicine, can add a unique flavor to your dishes and provide various health benefits. However, like many natural products, it is essential to use it responsibly. However, it's crucial to exercise caution. While Star Anise is beneficial, overconsumption or improper use can lead to adverse effects. It's important to be aware of the potential risks and to use Star Anise in moderation. There is a toxic variety of Star Anise called Japanese Star Anise, which should be avoided. Japanese Star Anise contains potent neurotoxins that can cause severe health issues if ingested. It is visually similar to the true Star Anise, making it easy to confuse the two. Therefore, it is vital to know the difference and ensure you are using the safe variety. Always purchase Star Anise from reputable sources to ensure its authenticity and safety. Look for quality seals and certifications on the packaging, and consider buying from well-known brands or trusted local markets. This can help you avoid the risk of accidentally purchasing the toxic Japanese Star Anise. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, consult your healthcare provider before using Star Anise medicinally. While Star Anise can offer health benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. Your healthcare provider can give you personalized advice based on your specific health needs and conditions. This precaution is especially important for those with allergies or sensitivities to certain spices. In conclusion, Star Anise can be a wonderful addition to your culinary and medicinal repertoire when used correctly. By being mindful of its proper use and potential risks, you can safely enjoy the unique flavor and benefits it offers. Remember, moderation and caution are key to making the most of this versatile spice. The future of Star Anise, a world of possibilities. As research continues to unravel the mysteries of Star Anise, its potential applications in medicine and beyond are expanding. Scientists are exploring its use in developing new antiviral drugs and natural food preservatives. The unique combination of flavor, aroma, and medicinal properties makes Star Anise a fascinating subject for future research. Disclaimer: your health, your responsibility. The information presented here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns, or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment. Spread the word, share the knowledge. Did you find this information about Star Anise helpful? Share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about the potential health benefits of this amazing spice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on natural health and wellness.